Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 4. In question number 4 it is given that I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Jamshed at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed the sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what extra amount would I have to pay? Means in one case I am borrowing money on simple interest, means I have to pay the interest in simple interest, and in another case I have to pay the interest in compound interest. So let's find what would be interest in the first case. Here the principal is given as 12000, rate is given as 6%, and time here is 2 years. In second case, principal is given as, again it is same, rate is also same, and time is also same. But here it is simple interest, but here it is compound interest. So let's find what would be the simple interest I have to pay. So simple interest would be PRT upon 100. Here the principal is 12000, rate is 6%, and time is 2 years, and this is solved. So 6 to the 12 into 12, 1440 rupees. So in first case I have to pay 1440 as an interest to Jamshed, and in second case, because this is compound interest, so first we have to find the amount. So principal here is 12000, 1 plus rate here is 6%, and time is 2 times. If you solve these into taking 100 as LCM and solving it, this will become 106 into 100, and again this will be 106 into 100. So cancelling this out, 2 times and 10, 10. So here multiplying this with this is actually 106 square. We know that how to find the square of a number. Take 105 as a base and add 105 and 6 to that square of 105, and again multiplying it with 12 will give us 13483.2 rupees. So this much amount I have to pay Jamshed. So in this case, interest, the compound interest which I have to pay is, compound interest is actually amount minus principal. Here amount is 13483.2 minus principal is 12000. So the interest will be equals to, here is 0483 and 1. So in second case I have to pay this much as an interest. I have to find what extra amount would I have to pay. So in first case I have to pay this much amount, or you can say this much interest, and in second case I have to pay this much interest. So the difference, or you can say the extra amount I have to pay is obviously CI minus SI. So CI is 1483.2 minus SI is 1440. So this is 2 and this is 4, 3. So I have to pay rupees 43 rupees 20 paisa extra to Jamshed if I had borrowed the sum at compound interest. Thank you.